Hi, it's Babsy B, and today we're going to make a little book of nouns, things I like, just like the little book that we see on the front of my book, Little Books of Nouns. The tools that we need are the book, Little Books of Nouns, from my website at babsyb.com, some scissors, a pencil, some crayons, and a stapler. First thing that we do is take the scissors and cut out the first 3 pages from the book that say, the 3 pages that say things I like. So we cut out those 3 pages, and then I've already cut across the 3 pages, across the dotted line. Then I lay the top 3 pieces on top of the bottom 3 pieces. And then I'm going to staple. And there I have things I like.